Is that a tear in my eye? I was sitting on the bus and was like, what am I running today? That was like the worst bus ride.
Y'all were really late. I've been here for a while.
We went to Riverside. I don't know why we went to Riverside. And then like the start and stop was so bad.
Not good.
He was like, don't leave banana peels and stuff on the seats. Like if you keep driving like that, I'm gonna leave a lot more than banana peels.
Yeah, exactly. I would have been the same way.
So Dopey race number 3. Gotta take this as it's just a half.
Yeah.
No big deal.
No big deal. Mine in 2017, I was like shaking right now, worried if I was gonna make it to the end. Now I'm just kind of hanging out.
Yeah, and
I did just use BioFreeze for the first time though since high school. Not a great sign that I'm putting that on pre-race, but it's Dopey.
I'm gonna take it slow, but like I still have an Everest fast pass at like 11-ish. I haven't been on this trip, so
I have a, yes, that's right. We have the same fast pass, so
yeah,
that's a good motivator.
Yeah, it's like I don't want to like my normal Disney time. I'm done by like 9, so 9:30-ish.
I think it's a great goal.
I'm planning on a 4-hour half today. Past lightning, I did stop to get in line, but I got pee so bad. I had the bathroom. My 15th Disney race. First time going to the Magic Kingdom. I still have to pee. First time in 15 races going to the porta potty. It was nasty. Hopefully I don't have to do that again, but I think tomorrow. Hey. Evil Queen and Maleficent and Queen of Hearts. I've never got any of those. I don't want to stop. would run that crappy first half again just to get a view, the awesome view of the castle. Is that a tear in my eye?
It's a dream come true for you and me, so there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.
No, that's an awful lot of standing for you to be running this half marathon today. You're standing.
Priorities during the half marathon. I'm trying to change my fast. I'm running behind. Sun's coming up. I'm not tired, but I want to be done for tomorrow. 3 miles away, but I have no intention of running hard. Still got a marathon tomorrow. My heart rate goes into the orange zone. Orange theory talk. I'm going too fast. That's why I'm taking it these 3 days, so finish easy. So I'm gonna stay strong tomorrow.
I like it. Marching in the boot, that's what I like to see. Drop it right now. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Right it with a broken foot. Now that is real strength right there. Well done. I salute you.
I think I'm going to beat the wine and dine halftime, and I can walk the rest of the way. Still a lot of people behind me. That's all the people. That's what's going on today. in the land pavilion. Where's the Figment character stop? Obligatory spaceship Earth photo. Thank you, sir. I love that. Let's go, bro. Hey, thanks. The sun is coming out now. It was good to be done. So the third leg of the Dopey challenge is complete. It's my 5th Disney half marathon. And I say it's a success because it doesn't feel like I just ran a half marathon. Maybe I ran like 12 miles of it. But that was my goal. Stay fresh as possible for tomorrow. So, see you at the 26.2.